Welcome to Press. Let's talk about a pretty big Cloudflare outage that happened recently and what can you do about it. Cloudflare just brought internet down for thousands of people. If you search Cloudflare status, you will find Cloudflare status website where you can find what is going on right now at their end. As you can see for this area, scheduled maintenance is currently in progress. They will provide updates. Similar issue for more areas around the world. Here you can see they are rerouting some of internet traffic. So the maintenance is still going on right now. Many websites use Cloudflare as their CDN provider. If Cloudflare goes down, those websites may also go down temporarily. So on 18th November 2025, Cloudflare experienced a major disruption that caused widespread outages across a lot of major platforms. Some of the big names affected included X or Twitter, ChatGPT, Canva, and others. Cloudflare itself said they detected a spike in unusual traffic, which then caused some network issues. They traced the root of the problem to a configuration file that controls thread traffic. That file became too large, which crashed the software system managing the traffic. Cloudflare confirmed it was just a software bug or misconfiguration at the end. This wasn't a small glitch though, because Cloudflare is a backbone for a huge chunk of the internet. This incident disrupted a wide variety of services, not just social media, but also developer APIs, websites, and more. Cloudflare said they believe the fix has been implemented, so hopefully interruption will be gone soon. But if you run a website or you depend on APIs for your business, make sure you know your CDN provider status page so you can quickly check if an outage is internal or external. Think about multi-CDN strategies, or at least what happens if your CDN goes down. If you were using Cloudflare and your site was affected, you can remove Cloudflare as your CDN provider from Website Control Panel or your hosting control panel. Keep an eye on performance and error logs. Sudden spikes in errors could hint at something going wrong upstream. And for regular users, don't panic when big sites go down. Sometimes it's the infrastructure, not those platforms themselves. So this is the update for Cloudflare going down. Maintenance is still going on, but this problem will be fixed very soon. Okay, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, and see you in the next one.